Hey guys, it's Russia and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back at you with another skincare video, and today I'm going to be talking all about beauty tools. Now the tools that I'm sharing with you all today, these are ones that I really feel like have truly impacted my skincare routine and really transformed the overall health of my skin. So if you guys want to see those, keep on watching. So let's hop right into the first step of most people's skincare routine, and that is cleansing. And over the years, I've tried so many different cleansing tools, the facial brushes, the ones that spin, I've used sponges, rags, my hand, everything. And out of all of the tools that I've used, the one that I've been using consistently for over a year and I feel like has really helped to thoroughly cleanse my skin without causing me to break out or anything is this silicone facial cleansing brush. So I got this from Walmart actually, and I know that there's like a more expensive version from Foreo that's like $100 and something, but using this inexpensive version is honestly just fine with me, and I would not be able to justify spending over $150 on something like this that I know that I'm pretty sure I got this for like $6. So the first thing that I liked about this tool is that it did not break me out and it does not harbor bacteria. So because this is silicone and is not porous, it doesn't harbor bacteria. It's very quick drying. So I never had to worry about like leaving it on my sink and it really just like festering bacteria in the bristles. That is not what silicone does. Silicone is actually such a great thing to use on your face. So I learned that after doing research after I bought this. So I'm so glad that I decided to start using this on my face. These little bristles as well really help to dislodge a lot of the oil on your face. So I know that I sometimes have congested pores on my chin as well as congestion on my nose. And if you really go in and massage your problem areas, you'll notice that it really helps to dislodge any oil or gunk in your skin, which is great. So if you're looking for a cleansing tool that really gets the gunk out of your pores, does not cause you to break out, helps exfoliate your skin, and is inexpensive, I would definitely recommend you checking this out. This is from the brand S&T, and I will make sure to link it in description boxes down below for you all to check it out. So this next tool is actually something that I recently got. I want to say that I've had it for about 6 months now. This tool is something that I feel like has really like elevated my skincare game and made me feel like, you know, I'm in a spa when I'm like doing my skincare routine, and this is the Gua Sha. This is the Sephora brand Gua Sha. I actually got this in the VIB Sephora sale back in May. So many people talk about Gua Sha and the amazing benefits of it and how it really sculpts your face. It helps with lymphatic drainage, and I can say that this is honestly a game changer. Like if you notice that you have a really like puffy face in the morning, or maybe just like overall, and you're looking to really help chisel and like sculpt out your face, this is the way to go. I remember when I first used this tool, I was honestly shocked at like the before and after of my face and how much more chiseled and like lifted my face looked after I used this. This is also great for the under eye to help lift it and make you look a little bit more awake. I would definitely recommend looking up a tutorial on how to use this. I know I did that when I first got this, and it really thoroughly helped me understand how to properly use this tool and to make sure to be gentle when you're using it. It also taught me that you really need to make sure you have a good grip on this, because if you drop this is like kind of it. You're gonna have to buy another one. So jumping back into congestion on your skin and acne, a tool that I've been using for about 2 years, and I don't use it too often, but when I do, I honestly see like the biggest difference is this pore vacuum. Now this one is from the brand Cracer. I got this on Amazon, and this is honestly great. You can just turn it on right here, and it has multiple different settings, and I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's like the vacuum is like strong. If you turn it all the way up, you're really gonna get that gunk out of your pores and out of your skin. This tool is really strong, and I can say when I first started using it about 2 years ago, I had to start off at the lowest setting and then make my way up to the highest setting, because you actually can damage your skin with a pore vacuum if you don't properly progress to a higher stage slowly and not just go in with like the highest vacuum that you can and really suck all the stuff out of your pores. But I think this is such a great tool for anyone that struggles with congestion on their skin. And I know, like I said before, I struggle with congestion on my chin and on my nose, and this is a tool that I use when I feel like I really need to get in there and get a deep clean. And especially now, because I feel like so many more people are struggling with congestion on their face, this may be something that you want to look into if you feel like nothing else that you're doing is working. And this last tool, I have to say, is probably my favorite one out of everything that I've showed you guys, and the one that I feel like has really transformed not only my face but also various parts of my body, and this is the derma roller. changer. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with derma rolling, it's sort of micro needling, but at home. It has little micro needles on it. So when you use this tool on your skin, it causes little micro tears on your skin. Now, I know you guys are probably thinking micro tears. I'm telling you, it's superficial. You don't see it. You don't have any bleeding, anything, because these needles are so tiny, and because it's made for at-home use, you're not going to experience any sort of pain or any sort of bleeding or anything. This is honestly great for anyone that struggles with acne scars, texture, hyperpigmentation, stretch marks, anything. I've used this on my stretch marks. I've used this on my dark spots, my acne scars, and this is seriously a game changer. This is definitely a tool that you don't use as often as some of the other ones that I've shared with you guys. I use this maybe around every month or two, because you really want to allow your skin to be able to rebuild itself, put more collagen in the area that you used it on, and make sure that you're not damaging your skin. But I'm telling you, if you use this consistently for a year, you're gonna notice this serious improvement in the areas that you used it in. I had this little scar right here above my lip because I was waxing my upper lip and I kind of went a little too hard, and I had a little mishap where I kind of ripped off a piece of my skin, but I did end up having a little bit of darkness right here on my lip. And while it isn't 100% gone, I was using this, I want to say maybe the first week or two after it healed. But I definitely can say the mixture of using this derma rolling tool and using the skincare products that I have has improved this darkness on my upper lip so much, and I honestly cannot praise this tool enough. So that was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys loved seeing some tools that I feel like have really made an impact on my skin. If you guys want to see any more videos like this, make sure to leave it in the comments down below. Make sure to like this video and comment down below maybe any skincare tools that you like, and also subscribe so that you guys can see me here every Wednesday and Sunday. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.